If I told you that there was a tool that could grow your blog income and traffic at the same time, would you be interested in it? I'm here to tell you that that tool exists, and it's called SEMRush. What's up, y'all? Jasmine here today, and I want to tell you about a tool that I experimented with last year. The tool I'm talking about is called SEMRush. What is SEMRush? To sum it up, SEMRush is an SEO or search engine optimization platform that helps you grow your website in multiple ways. This platform includes a boundless amount of tools that can help you with so many different things on your blog. Today, I want to tell you about what my experience has been using SEMRush for a little over a year. I'll admit that when I first signed up for the free trial for SEMRush, I was overwhelmed. There are so many different tools, so many different things to click on, and I was like, I have no idea what I'm doing. This tool is kind of expensive. There's no way I'm going to spend money on this. But I had heard other people using it and seeing success with it, so I decided to give it another shot. Fast forward one full year, and I can say that SEMRush has helped me in so many ways. One of the biggest ones is increasing my organic search traffic. So prior to using SEMRush, I was getting about 30% of my traffic from Google search. After SEMRush, however, I have moved up to 61%. Yes, 61% of my traffic now comes from Google organic search. So that is free traffic coming from people who are looking for exactly what I'm writing about. I'm going to tell you about 4 different ways that SEMRush has helped my blog over the course of a year. The first thing SEMRush did for me was grow my blog traffic. Like I mentioned, my blog traffic grew from 30% to 60% of organic traffic. I'm super excited about that, y'all. Not only do I feel like this is good to see more traffic to your site, I feel like it's good quality traffic too, because the people who come in organically are spending more time on my website than someone who comes in through social media. I don't know why that is, but it just happens to be the case. I want to tell you how I did this. SEMRush has this amazing tool called the SEO Writing Assistant plugin. You just pop this plugin right on your website, and from there, it gives you some ideas of different keywords you can put into your blog post that you're already writing. Once you see those keywords, you just plug them into your article so that you can be more competitive with those who are trying to rank for the same keyword as you. Pretty simple, right? I like this tool because it actually gives me a score on how my article is doing. And as long as I add in all those keywords, I typically get a pretty high score. Since adding SEMRush, this is something I do for every single one of my articles when I am publishing. And I have noticed a big difference in traffic since then. Another way SEMRush has helped my site is by allowing me to optimize my content that's already working. SEMRush has a tool called the Organic Traffic Insights tool. This is one of my favorite tools within SEMRush because what it does is show you your top articles that are ranking on Google search. Not only can you see the top articles that are ranking, you can see what keywords they are showing up for and where in line your article falls for those specific keywords. If I notice that there is a keyword my article is ranking for, but I didn't put that keyword in my article, I go back to my articles and I make sure to add in those extra keywords. When I do this, I notice that I can show up higher on a search page just from adding in those additional keywords. And therefore, I can take articles that are already doing really well for me and make them do even better. So let's talk about the third way that SEMRush does really well for my website. I have made more money with affiliates and advertising since signing up for SEMRush. Let's start with advertising. Obviously, if you are on any type of advertising network, whether that be Mediavine or Google AdSense, you are getting paid based on how much traffic comes to your site. Since I'm getting more traffic to my site, I'm getting paid more money with advertising. And that number just seems to increase every single month. But it doesn't really stop there. I'm also making more money with affiliates. I found that those who are coming to my website from organic traffic, they are clicking on my affiliate links and buying more things. The only thing I can really pinpoint for why this is the case is because people are actually searching for the answers that I'm providing them. I'm going to give you a case study of a product that worked really well for me when I was trying out SEMrush. I'm an affiliate for a product called the Lumen Metabolism Tracker. I have a link to that article below if you want to check it out. I wrote an article about this because I was already interested in it myself, and I thought it was awesome. It gave me a lot of insight to be able to lose some weight, so I wrote about it on my blog. I did some of the SEO things using SEMrush for that article. I spent a little bit of time doing some keyword research prior to writing the article, and I talked about my experience. I took pictures of the product and really spoke to it, and I made $500 worth of affiliate sales within the first month, mostly coming from organic traffic for the article. The second month promoting this product, I made over $900 in affiliate sales. So that just goes to show you, as long as you have the traffic and the right product, you can definitely bring in income with affiliates. And if that traffic is organic, even better. So I highly recommend using a tool like SEMrush when it comes to building more of your traffic so you can get more affiliate sales. The fourth way that SEMrush helped me was that it helped me speed up my website. I am not gonna lie, y'all, my site was slow as hell. I mean, slow. Like, you're probably thinking you're like on dial-up. Yes, getting back to the subject here. My site was slow as hell. I knew I needed to speed it up because I was getting more traffic from all of my things I was doing using the SEMrush tool, right? But no one was sticking around because no one wants to wait a long time for their site to load. So what I did was I did a site audit on my website, because you can do that using SEMrush. Once you do the site audit, you can check out your website performance. And this gives you an idea of how your site is performing, a lot with speed and different things that you can do to improve it. I downloaded this report from SEMrush and I sent it over to my tech team at WP Tech Support. They looked at it, saw all the notes that SEMrush said that we should do to speed up my site, and sure enough, they sped my site up by a full second. 1 full second. I couldn't believe it. I went from 2.5 seconds is what it took for my site to load to 1.27 seconds. Not only was I getting more traffic, but people were sticking around longer because my site didn't take forever to load. There y'all have it. Just to sum up what we talked about, SEMrush helped me grow my organic traffic. It also helped me optimize my content that I already had so that I can get more traffic to my site organically. Helped me make more money with advertising and affiliates, and it helped me speed up my website. I'll ask you this: how much is being able to get organic, automatic traffic to your website every single month? SEMrush is for you because it worked for me. So if it can work for me, it can definitely work for you. All right, so if you're still on the fence about whether or not you should invest in SEMrush, I'm going to make that easy for you. I'm going to give you my link so that you can get a free 14-day trial. Within these 14 days, you should be able to jump in there, see all the tools that they have available, and see if it's going to work out for you. Go ahead to the link in the comments below and get your free trial for SEMrush. If you go through the full 2 weeks of SEMrush and you realize that this is something that you love and you're going to go ahead and invest in the platform, then I want you to go ahead and send me an email to bonus@missmillmag.com. I'll send you free access to my social media traffic blast course. To give you some insight into what this tool does, it is my exact strategy that I use to drive traffic to it by posting on social media, and everything I do within SEMrush so that I continue to get good organic traffic to my site. I'm going to give that to you for free just for signing up for SEMrush, because I know that this tool can work for you so long as you have a nice blueprint on what to do with it. Do you have more questions about SEMrush and if it can work out for you on your blog? Go ahead and post those in the comments below and I'll make sure to get you an answer. That's all I have for now, y'all. Until next time. Bye. Do a huge favor. Shut up.